Mapod ang bigat na, mapod ang algo, mapod ang hilong idayun namin.
In English, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Linda Joy Asa Costa from grade 12 St. Zerachiel, and I'm proud to be an Ifugao.
Ifugao is known for rice terraces, cultural heritage, Banawe, wood carving, and festivals.
Ifugao has a lot of uncommon words, but three catches my attention: the Mumbaki, Hagabi, and Kubi. Come and let us explore and expand our knowledge about Ifugao tribes together.
Mun iitolyadanan, nanomnoman panggitna, kip-kip hodan, nanubablayan, hinan hagabi. Wada emundugoya imali, nanmumbaki ta inguno na tapong hod. Nunan tatagu yawaday kamaan, pun eblayan yakalukan. Nanhamuti yawaday kubian, kipaayan ya umunungan, daan malinggot.
I hope you learned something and interesting. Don't forget to like,